Weighing just over 27 pounds without the battery, the Jazzy Carbon 27 is a lightweight travel phenomenon. And like other travel products from Pride Mobility, it's extremely portable, easy to fold, pick up, and store no matter where the day takes you. I'll walk you through the steps of how to fold and unfold the Jazzy Carbon 27, and first, I'll demonstrate in real time to show you how quick that process is. Now, let's take it step by step. First, fold back the footplate. Next, find the small tab under the seat toward the back of the chair. While releasing this tab, you can begin to fold the unit. To reduce the amount of bending, you can start to fold and then tilt the power chair back on its anti-tip wheels. Then find the hook and loop strap toward the front. Loop this around the footplate and secure. The unit is now folded and secure, ready to be picked up and moved. At this point, you can also remove the battery to reduce overall weight. You also have the option of removing the cup holder and/or the joystick controller to create an even more compact bundle. To unfold, simply reverse the process. Start by undoing the hook and loop strap. Reattach the battery if you removed it. Then you can pull the back away from the seat until you hear an audible click. That means the power chair has securely returned to a driving position. The Jazzy Carbon 27 carries a 300-pound weight capacity and is designed with your convenience in mind. Easy to fold, easy to store, and easy to drive. Find out more about this power chair at pridemobility.com.